Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. For today's video, I want to do a more colorful makeup look. So I have an idea, but I'm not sure exactly where I want to take it. So we're just gonna kind of use some different colors, and I have a couple palettes here that I might want to use. So let's get started. So as always, I'm going to start out by applying my NYX concealer to start out with the base. So to start out, I'm using the TooFaced Sweet Peach palette, and this palette is perfect for spring and summer if you're looking for a palette. There's a bunch of great shades. So I'm starting out with a blending brush, and I'm just going into the shade White Peach and just adding this into my crease, just sort of laying a base. Now I'm going into the shade Georgia, which is a little bit more of a pinky light pale color. And I'm laying that right over top. I kind of want to do pink and yellow. I'm going to use the James Charles Morphe palette. I'm going to go into the shade Tune, which is this matte yellow. It's more of a pale yellow. Just applying this into my crease, especially towards the inner half of my crease. This is just to help for a transition color. We're going to really build this color up later. Using this pale pink color, which is in the shade Pinkity Drinkity, and just adding this to the outer half of my crease. I'm going to go back into the Too Faced palette. I'm going to mix the two shades, just Peachy and Candied Peach, and add that to the outer corners again, or to the outer half of my crease. And also sort of bring it down just a little bit onto my lid. Once all those base colors are laid down, I'm going to go back into the James Charles palette and really add on the pigment. I'm going to go into the shade B, which is this bright neon yellow. I'm adding this to my inner half of my crease. Now I'm going to go into the shade Skip, which is the bright neon pink. And I'm just going to add this to my outer half of my lid and blend it, really blend it a lot so that it's a soft transition in the middle. I'm going to go back into the Too Faced palette and reapply those two peachy colors right over top of that pink. And I'm just reapplying some of that yellow. And now I'm going back in with my concealer, and I'm just going to cut my crease. This cut crease I'm actually going to cut all the way across and just sort of bring it out. Now I'm going to go into this white eyeshadow in the shade Flashback, and I am just patting this all across this concealer here. Going in with a blending brush again, and I'm going to go into the two peach shades and just go on the edge here and just blend this as close to my lash line as possible and sort of lightly drag that out. I want to add some glitter, so I'm using this NYX Liquid Crystal Body Glitter in the shade Crystal Silk. And I'm just going to line my crease before I go ahead and add any other shades. As you can see, I'm just lining all the way across my lid and my crease. I'm just going to drag it out at the end. Go into the shade Ring Light from the James Charles palette, which is this shimmery color. And I'm just going to add this to my brow bone and also to my inner corners. My lower lash line, I'm going to add some more of that pink and just add this to the outer half of my lower lash line. And then I'm going to add this bright yellow to the inner half. And that's it for the eyeshadow. Using my NYX Matte Black Liquid Liner and just creating my wings. Now I'm going to apply my Ardell lashes to finish off the eyes and some mascara. for highlighter, my favorite part, I'm going to use the Kylie Cosmetics highlight in the shade Queen Drip. And I'm applying this. So for lips, I want to do a glossy lip for today. And I'm going to start out by using the NYX Matte Suede lip liner in the shade Tea and Cookies. And I'm just lining my lips. And then over top for the gloss, I'm using this L'Oreal Havana lip gloss. This is in the shade Camila. Just adding this over top of the lip liner. And so this is the finished look. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. This just shows you guys that you can play around with colors, and especially for spring and summer, like why not? So I really like the way that this look turned out, and I hope you guys like it too. And it's like very pink and yellow, like strawberry lemonade, so I might just call it that. So I knew I wanted to do something with pink and yellow, but I didn't know what I wanted to do with it. So I'm very happy with the way that it turned out. And so I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell button when you subscribe. It's right next to it to turn on my post notifications so you're notified when I upload every single new video. I upload a new video every week, so be sure to go check out last week's video. And you guys can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat at Victoria Costanz, and on Twitter at Vic Costanz. So make sure you go follow me on there, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!